Hello all, I am back again. This is another video on pure Matka silks. The last video we had shown you some of our finest collections. In this video also I am going to show you some of the beautiful other type of designs. As I told you, you've got a huge design strength on Matka silks, the pure Matka silk. Yes, again coming back to the sari which I am wearing. You can see I am wearing a beautiful sari. This is on pure Matka silk. Matka silk Derpar Jamdani. And yes, this sari's beauty is its hand woven designs. Just have a look. On both sides of the border of the sari, you have this beautiful golden silver hand woven jamdanis. Therefore, they are called the Derpar Jamdani. Yes, today's video I am going to start with my saris collection. The one which I am wearing is the sari number 1 for you. Yes, this is Derpar Matka Jamdani for you, and in this sari, this color is the royal blue color. Okay, so I am wearing a royal blue color. All these saris would be having running blouse piece, but yes, I am teaming it up with a dark blue sleeveless blouse piece. You can wear it with your own style. All these saris, as I told you, would definitely come with silk mark. So you are 100% guaranteed that you are buying 100% pure silk. Okay, so this is sari number 1 for you, Derpar Matka Jamdani in the color of royal blue. Okay, if you guys like this sari, then you have to send me a screenshot and you can book the saris in the numbers given in the screen below. Before I proceed, please do subscribe to our channel so that whenever we upload videos, you can get back to us as in a minute of a stock. Okay, let's go to the second one in this particular video. Another beautiful Derpar Jamdani in the beautiful color of ash grey and red combo. Ash grey and red combo. The one which I was wearing had the Jamdani work done with golden and silver zari. This sari, as you can see in front of me, is having a Jamdani work done with red, golden, not golden, sorry, yes, golden, red and golden threads. Okay, golden is the zari and red is the thread. This is the same design which I am wearing, but the color is ash grey with the Jamdanis done on red stable and zari. So this is the beautiful Jamdani work done. Can you see? Look at the texture of the matka. The beautiful, lustrous, shiny texture of the matka. And this is the beautiful Derpar Jamdani done. The beautiful Derpar Jamdani done. Okay, both the borders of the sari has this beautiful Derpar Jamdani. Okay, beautiful sari, right? This is the pallu. The pallu is having the muslin work. As for my sari also, the pallu has muslin. The pallu is having muslin work, and this muslin is done with this red jamdanis. Muslin with red jamdani. Okay, so this is the pallu of the sari. Beautiful sari, isn't it? Yes, beautiful sari, ash grey color with red jamdani work. This is the pallu of the sari. Price of these saris, I forgot to mention the price when I was telling you about the saris. These are 6,200. Shipping is free all over India. Derpar Matka Jamdani. All over the body you have this beautiful Jamdani work done on both the borders. Therefore they are called the Derpar Matka Jamdani. This is the running blouse piece of the sari. Running ash grey blouse piece of the sari with stripes done. Stripes are done with zari. This is the blouse piece. Can you see it? Lovely sari, isn't it? Just go for it, guys. Price only at 6,200. Okay, moving to the third in the series. Lovely one. Just have a look. Oh, white, the cream white color, the natural color of matka, and the red combo. Beautiful. Red Par Jamdani. Red and cream white color, the natural color of matka is used in. Natural color of matka. The rich texture of matka is used. This is the pallu of the sari. The muslin pallu. Very sophisticated sari. And this is the body of the sari. Price is only and only 6,200. Shipping is free. Let me show you the blouse piece, the running blouse piece for the sari. Okay? For anyone who is interested in the sari, has to take a screenshot and send it to the numbers given in the screen below for the booking. All these numbers given in the screen also have WhatsApp. You can call us or you can WhatsApp us. And for resale and for wholesale, please connect with these numbers individually. They will definitely come back to you. Okay? Chalo. Moving to the next one. I just love this color. The yellow color. Yes. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? The mehendi or the haldi color. Yes, this is the haldi color matka silk sari. Beautiful sari. This is the beautiful weave. Yes. This is the pallu. The pallu's jamdani weave. Can you see? The pallu's jamdani weave with golden zari. And this is the body of the sari. The Red Par body, as I can tell you. The beautiful jamdani work on the borders with golden zari. Such subtle combinations. Yellow, lemon yellow or the haldi yellow. An apt sari for a marriage haldi purpose. Just have a look. Yes, beautiful sari in its own way. This is the pallu and this is the running blouse piece. Anyone would love to wear a sari of this beautiful color. Matka silk Red Par Jamdani. Price at 6,200. Shipping is free all over India. Going to the last one in the series, the red one. The red in this. Same sari which I am wearing, colors are different. This is in the dark red color. Dark red color with this beautiful zari work in the borders. Golden and silver zari work. Golden and silver zari work. Have a look. Beautiful, isn't it? This is the pallu of the sari. The pallu's jamdani work. Red Par Jamdani. Again, a marriage special episode for you guys. Someone who is ready for the marriage, a apt sari for them. If you like any of the saris, please send it to us by taking a screenshot in the numbers given in the screen. Red color Red Par Jamdani. Okay, let me show you the blouse piece. This is the red blouse piece, the running red blouse piece for the sari. All these saris are just like feather. Let me tell you, just small feather. Just beautiful, lightweight, shiny, pure matka silk saris for you guys. Okay, moving to the next one, the next collection in our lot today, multicolor matka. Yes, this is another beauty in the series. This we named as boho matka. Just have a look. We actually play with matka silk, you know. Whenever we make matka silk, we try to make it different and something which is quite different from the ordinary. This is we calling it boho matka silk. Yes, it's pure matka silk, but all these matka silks are woven with multicolor matka silk threads. Just have a look. Isn't it wonderful? Yes, it is. I'll open it in one one fold. So this is what? Just see, such a smart piece, isn't it? Smart piece. A smart pieced sari. Have a look at the texture of the matka. Every different layers of different threads are woven in a matka silk. Multicolored matka silk. Boho matkas. And this is the Pallu's Jamdani work. The temple Jamdani in the multicolored weaves is the temple Jamdani in the Pallu. Just a beautiful sari. Boho Matka silk. Priced again, a very pocket friendly collection for you guys. Boho Matka silks are priced at 4,800 shipping free. 4,800 shipping free. And this is the contrast black blouse piece for the sari. So we thought that for these saris you can always take a black blouse to pair it up. See, I am wearing a dark blue blouse, and for that also it's looking lovely, isn't it? So you can definitely take it with any color, any of colors of this particular sari. You can wear it as a blouse. We are giving you black blouse so that it helps you wear it with any purpose. Priced at 4,800. Shipping is free. Going to the next one. Next, Boho Matka silk. Color combos. See, this, as you can see, are uniquely designed color combos. Not the ones which are available in the market. A multicolored Boho Matka piece with unique Boho Matka design. This is the Pallu. As you can see, the Pallu is having the rich temples done. The temple hand jamdani is done in multiple colors. And this is the body. Just lovely body. What different shades. Just lovely. It seems as if you're wearing a color palette with you. The rainbow, isn't it? Yes, multicolored matka. A very smart piece, let me tell you. Priced at 4,800. Let me show you the blouse piece. It's the black blouse piece. Moving to the third one in this series, another beauty. Just have a look at the color combinations. I think everyone would be fida with the color combos. Pallu of the sari. This is the body of the sari. Yes, beautiful. This is the body of the sari. Different color combos. Isn't it? Lovely. Flaunt it to show your own body style. Priced at only 4,800. And this is the blouse piece. Okay, moving you to the next collection. We were showing you the trendy collections, the ones which you can wear to a party, to the corporate meetups. Now I'm going to show you the rich Banarasis from Bengal. Yes, let me tell you, these are all the master craftsman spirit of Bengal, which has helped us produce such beautiful masterpieces. I'm showing you Matka Banarasis. Let me tell you, all these are Bengal's weave, pure Bengal's weave. I am showing you a beautiful Matka Banarasi. First sari, Matka Banarasi's collection, color of turquoise blue, along with the red combination, the red border. Look at the border. This is done from Bengal. Can you imagine this work to be done in hand? Hand woven in Bengal. The rich shell like this, not shell actually, the scales of the fish, that kind of a look is there in the border. The border Jamdani and the Banarasi is the scale type of a look. Rich border, zari border, tested zari border, both sides. And look at the body's work of the Banarasi, the rich karwa booty. body you have these beautiful booties, and this is the pallu. Can you see the pallu? How beautiful pallu it is. The pallu is in magenta. The pallu is in magenta. So the border is red, the body is turquoise blue, and the pallu is magenta. Beautiful sari. A beauty. Matka Banarasi is for you. Only in the price of 5,800. Shipping is free. Let me show you the blouse piece. This is the magenta Matka silk blouse piece with the sleeves. This is the blouse piece. You can easily make a lovely blouse out of it. Matka Banarasi is for you. First Matka Banarasi, color of turquoise blue with red and magenta. Going to the next one, grey color Matka Banarasi. You know, these colors are the colors which every woman would love to have it in the closet. Yes, the slate grey color with the red combo. Let me show you the border again. The rich red border. Beautiful sari. This is the texture of the matka. It's shine, it's luster, it's soft and smooth. And look at the body's work. The body's rich karwa booty. Yes. That's for you. This is the look of the sari. Isn't it gorgeous? Yes, it is. Look at the pallu. The pallu is red pallu, the rich red pallu. Soft and shiny and gorgeous. Matka silk Banarasis. Priced at 5,800. If anyone needs to buy it, please take a screenshot and send it back to us in the numbers given in the screen. Let me show you the blouse piece. Yes, this is the blouse piece of the sari. I'm sure you would love the blouse piece. Every blouse can be stitched into a lovely blouse which you can team with any other sari. Okay, moving to the third one in the Matka Banarasi. Now this time it is with the silver zari. It's with the silver zari. Lovely sari. Silver zari, green color Matka Banarasi with silver zari. This is silver zari, guys. Before I was showing you golden zari, this is silver zari, okay? This is the zari's work. Pure parrot green color with silver motifs. The buttas are slightly different from the golden ones. Okay? The entire look of this sari, isn't it lovely? Red pallu. Red pallu with this beautiful pallu design. Love to wear these saris. They're soft and they can make you feel that you're at the top of the world. Let me show you the blouse piece. Yes, this is the blouse piece, the red blouse piece. All these saris would be having contrast blouse piece so that it gives you the best look which is needed. Okay, going to another silver zari. This is in the color of lemon yellow and magenta. Lemon yellow and magenta. Lovely. Just fall in love with these colors, guys. Silver work, silver zari border, silver buttas and magenta body, magenta pallu. Just fall in love. And this is the blouse piece. Priced at 5,800, let me tell you. Okay, chalo, removing it. Going to the next series in Matka. This is another beautiful design, but this is again the corporate look. Matka Derpar Jamdanis, with one side of it having this beautiful Gicha and Zari work Jamdani, geometric design, and other side Gicha work, small geometric design. So these are the two borders of the sari, and this is of the color of bottle green. This is the color of bottle green matka. Can you see the fine weaving of the matka in the color of bottle green? This is the look of the sari. Beautiful sari. The pallu is having tricolor weave. Beautiful. Moving to the blouse piece. This sari has got the bottle green matka blouse piece. Price. Coming to the price of this beauties. Price of this sari is nothing but 5,800 shipping free. Moving you to the next one in this series. Again a beautiful green, sorry. Just a moment, guys. Another beautiful piece in the shade of another beautiful piece. This is again the marshy green and red combo, Gicha and Zari combo. This is the look of the sari. The borders are rich, isn't it? It's shining. Pallu of the sari is this. Tricolor pallu. 5,800 shipping free. Let me show you the blouse piece of the sari. Blouse piece. It has blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of this sari. 5,800 for this beauty. Okay. Now I am moving over to another beautiful piece. This is called Jhora Pata Collections. This is another matka muslin actually. The sari can be imagined as half of muslin and half of matka. This is in the color of sky blue with the, I'll show you in a single layer. Yes. This is the single layer Resham Jamdani. Matka muslin Jamdani. This is the weaving pattern. The weaves are done, the leaf weaves are done in silver and golden zari. Can you see it? This is the pallu. Okay, now coming to the pleats of the sari. The lower pleats is pure matka with sequins woven in it. This is the lower pleats of the sari with sequins woven in the sari. So top part of the sari is this and lower part of the sari is this. Okay, so this is basically the look of the sari. Top part is the muslin part, lower part is the matka part, and every matka is having this sequins woven in the lower part. Price of the sari is 6,800. Jhora Pata design. Let me show you the blouse piece of the sari. Blouse piece. Blouse piece is this, the running sky blue blouse piece. Okay, the beautiful Jhora Pata matka. Can you see the shine of this golden and silver zari? Just a lovely piece. 6,800, ladies and gentlemen. Chalo, moving to the next one in this series. Another Jhara Pata. This is in the color of grey, slate grey. Look at the first part of the sari. The first part is having the golden and silver leaf motif. The top part, the muslin part. Just a beauty. With the silver zari in the border. And this is the lower part of the sari. Pure matka with sequins. This is the look of the sari. Lower part is woven with sequins. The matka has got sequins woven in it. Priced at 6,800. Shipping is free all over India. Let me show you the blouse piece. This is the slate grey blouse piece of the matka silk. With this, I am ending the video for this. Again, I'll be back with more collections of matka. Be in touch with me and keep subscribing our channel and visit us in case you want to have more collections in the numbers given in the screen below. Bye bye.